King Street, Old Town, here in Alexandria, Washington. First train up, we have a line yellow service to Huntington. The car you see there is 51555. You may recognize the sounds from the New York subway on the newer trains, because they're identical. There is actually the Alexandria Amtrak station, which I might have got off at, but we didn't. So yeah, that's just I'll just pan it since there's nobody on there. So yeah, this is King Street, Old Town. That's Alexandria Amtrak. So approaching the platform, we have a yellow line train to Huntington, yeah. It is, I think, I don't know. Starting is line yellow service to Huntington. Line service for Olago, going to Olago. From Senyo Springfield. Now leaving. Comes the yellow line service for a Fort Tooten. So this is my final train for the vlog, so I hope you enjoy. See you later. Goodbye.